For many of us, remote work has become a way of life. And what a wonderful life it is. Way more flexible, better work-life balance, no more lengthy commutes. But it does come with its challenges. One of the biggest struggles faced by remote workers is collaboration and communication. Fortunately, there are loads of different tools that can make everything easier. Hi everybody, I'm Pete from Filestage. In this video, I'll share with you the best remote work tools to improve collaborations and make remote work more engaging, more productive for everyone involved. Tool 1, Filestage, best remote work software for feedback management. We couldn't start this video with any other tool recommendation than Filestage. Filestage is the best remote work software for feedback management. Managing feedback can be challenging, especially when there are loads of stakeholders involved. More often than not, feedback arrives in drips and drafts. Some by email, some via Slack. Chasing, conflicting suggestions, confusion regarding who has approved what. Enter Filestage. Filestage is a remote collaboration tool that helps you collect feedback on designs, videos, documents, and more, all in one place. From sharing to sign-off, it makes the process of managing feedback faster, simpler, and less stressful for both you and your reviewers. And now, Filestage offers a free plan. If you want to learn more about it and sign up, check the link in the description box down below. Tool 2, Notion, best remote work tool for your company's knowledge base. Another great work tool is Notion. Every business has a need to share information among employees. From process documents and product updates to HR policies and onboarding materials. Wiki software help you share this information in one easy access place. Notion is a brilliant wiki tool that helps you build up your company's knowledge base so that remote workers can find every information they need without asking you to forwarding mails, send documents, and share links. The next one is one of my personal favorites. The hardest part on remote working is collaboration, especially on creative projects. Online whiteboard tools help remote teams to ideate in real time. Figjam is an excellent whiteboard tool for remote workshops, helping you and your team to bounce off ideas from one and each other in real time. From concept to design, you can keep all your ideas in one place. And now, hear me out carefully. If you want to cut back on unnecessary meetings, Loom is the best tool for you. You can use Loom to record quick messages or demos and send it to your team instead. You can record with your camera, your microphone, your desktop as you walk your team through a process of explaining a roadmap or answer a complicated question, so your team can watch it in their own time and on their own pace. And that's already it for today. If you want to learn more about remote work tools, check the link in the description. It includes 25 remote work tools. Yes, 25. Thanks for watching this video, guys. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more remote work tips, and not only. Bye bye.